Hey guys, I seem to be having issues with my car today. The blower motor won't come on when I turn the dial. Listen. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's not coming on. Nothing's blowing out of the vents. If you see the vents. Okay, so let's see. Let's replace this blower motor and see if it helps. Okay, so the blower motor is going to be behind the glove box. You just push this in like this. But it actually just came on when we hit it a bit. That's going to be it right there. On top there's a cabin filter. You hear that noise? That's the noise on 2. Shouldn't be making that noise. I guess what we could do first is check the cabin filter. These 2 things you push together, and that side will come out. And you do the same on this side. If you see, that's the cabin filter. Easy to change. This one's actually brand new. I just bought it. And there's the blower motor. We're going to be replacing that. It's a simple job. It's 3 screws holding it in. Once we undo them, we just pop the new one there, screw them back in, hook the connector up, and it should be done. Should be like a 10-minute job. So this is the actual blower motor. Just get it under the passenger side. Let's see, there's 1 screw there, 1 screw there, and probably 1 somewhere back here. It's hard to get focused. This should be a pretty easy job. And if you're having this problem, like if the dial's not working, it could also be this, which is the resistor. Let's just check the connections. Make sure they're not melted or anything. Okay, let's undo it. So there's 3 screws holding it on, Philip said. Can't really see that. But anyways, I had my screwdriver here. It was actually too long to get to screw, not enough room, so I had to go and get this smaller one. And I should be able to take it out now, the last screw. So here's the one I just pulled out, and here's a new one. They pretty much look the same. See, they both have that part. Pretty much look the same, but if you listen to this one, it actually, let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's not really spinning freely. It makes a noise when it spins. And the brand new one seems to spin a lot better. Doesn't make a noise when it spins. But actually they kind of feel the same to me, so I don't know if this is the problem. I'll hook it up and see. So let's see what it looks like up here. It's a new filter. It's a plug. Let's see. So just going to go back up here. And you put those 3 screws in. It's actually a pretty simple job. The blower motor was $125 with tax. Sorry about that. And I just bought this cabin filter, which was $20 with tax. If you guys went to the mechanic, this would definitely be close to a $300 job. It's a simple job you could do in 15 minutes or so. Even if you've never done any kind of work on a car before. I have this little teddy bear in my car. I'm just going to put him in there. I think this is called a squirrel cage. And that's why it should be called a hamster cage, because usually hamsters have little wheels like this in their cages. But anyways, this job was super easy to do. All it was undoing 3 screws. The fan fell out, or the blower motor fell right down. You take the new one, stick it back up there. It fits in snug, and then you screw the 3 screws in. Super easy. Oh, and let's see if it worked. So now let's see if it goes on. You hear that? It's on 1, 2, 3, 4. It's working again. That was a quick, easy fix. I recommend you guys do it yourself. Don't pay somebody to do that job. It's too easy.